Hey guys, just Sharp from Buy Sell Excel. Just wanted to do a quick video for you guys on the MCO card by crypto.com. I just got mine in the mail. It took about, I want to say, a little over a month and a half after applying and being approved and actually being shipped here. But I just wanted to do a quick video with you guys. I'll walk through, what the card holds, and I'll give you guys a quick demonstration of me opening it. Nice little thank you letter. And then comes in this nice little box right here. Let's go ahead and pull on this guy. And as you see, you get your nice crypto MCO Visa card. This is pretty cool. I'm actually really excited about the packaging more so than actually getting the card. But just to give you guys an update, so crypto.com is a website or an application where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. You know me, I'm a very, very big advocate on Chainlink. And so with this application, you can actually do what is called crypto earn, which is equivalent to staking your crypto coins, where you can actually earn interest on it. So with Chainlink, you can earn up to 3% APR over 12 months. With their token, which is CRO, you can actually earn up to 12% over a given year using their crypto earn or staking platform. And so the cool thing about this card is you actually get the ability to make real life purchases. Like I can go on Amazon, I can go on Best Buy, I can go on Walmart, Fashion Nova, whatever it is, and you can actually buy things with this, right? You can also use it in person. You can go to Target, you can go anywhere, buy groceries, get gas, anything you want with this card. Personally, I'm probably not going to use it for my day-to-day purchases just because I get better benefits and better rewards with some of the other credit cards that I have. But I do highly recommend this. If you are a fan of cryptocurrencies, I think it's just a super cool thing to have. This one specifically is the lowest one, which is the blue one, which you can get approved immediately. Literally the approval process took maybe a day or so. It was super simple, all online. And so how you load this card is you literally go to crypto.com on the app. You essentially just buy their token, which is CRO, which essentially it can go up, it can go down, just like any other cryptocurrency, right? But what you do is you use that CRO and you can sell that and utilize those funds towards this card. So the real benefit to me of this is, like, say for example, you have a large amount within your account. A lot of companies and a lot of applications, when you pull out funds from your wallet, they charge a fee. So the benefit of this is if you don't want that fee, but you want to sell your position and utilize your cash right away, you can actually sell your cryptocurrency, load this debit card, and use your funds right away as if you were transferring it to your other debit card. So this is a good way to actually make purchases without any fees, and I highly recommend it. That is crypto.com. I will put a link in the description. That way you guys can get a free $50 of CRO when you first sign up. Super simple. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. The Buy Sell Excel merch is now available, so make sure to get the link in the description as well. And if at any point in time you have questions, make sure you're following us on Instagram. That way you can get live updates on stocks, cryptocurrencies, and anything that you need for investing. At any point in time, if you do have questions, whether you're a beginner trader or you're a long-term investor, definitely feel free to reach out. Our goal is to build a community of strong-minded people that are wanting to grow and better their life. So if you do have any questions, you're always more than welcome to reach out and ask. We have a really good group, so make sure to follow us at Buy Sell Excel. Until next time, see you guys later.